Your Kubernetes cluster is running, but is it secure? Let me show you how to find out in seconds using the Lens Kubernetes IDE Security Center. With the Security Center, you get security insights into your images, resources, and roles using the CVE operator. In the overview, you will see at a glance the scan status, the result of the scan, and also how your vulnerability severity is split between low, medium, high, and critical. And you will also get insights about what are the latest critical vulnerabilities that affect your cluster. You also have the option to filter by namespaces if you want, and at the same time you also can search the security overview for a certain critical vulnerability. In my example, you can see in the latest critical vulnerabilities that I have only images, and if I click on one of the images, for example, you're going to see what pods are using this particular image, you're going to see the platforms that are using it, and you can also see the vulnerabilities list right here. And if I click on it, we can see all the vulnerabilities that we have, the CVE IDs, their severity, the package that was affected, when it was fixed, and what's the version that we have installed. If we click on one of these vulnerabilities, we are going to be redirected to the Aqua vulnerability database, and we are going to see information about this particular vulnerability. We're going to see what is the affected software in here. And we have like a lot of information that we can use in order to actually fix it. Now let's go to images. And in this view, again, we will have an overview at the top, and we can also filter and search for different images. And again, if we click on any of the images, we can see what are the pods that are using the image. We are going to see their vulnerabilities. And again, if we click on this vulnerabilities button right here, we're going to see the CVEs, their severity, and when they were fixed. Similarly, if we go to resources, we are going to see here all the resources that have vulnerabilities, and again, by clicking on one of them, we can see the vulnerabilities right here at the bottom, and we can click on this button, and again, we will see different vulnerabilities. These are basically misconfigurations that you have in your resources. For example, this one doesn't have any CPU requests. You can see that this runs as the root user, can elevate its own privileges, and other errors like that. Let's also go to roles. And again, in the roles, we'll have an overview. You can filter them, you can search them, and again, you will see the vulnerabilities right here by clicking this button. Again, seeing the ID of the vulnerability, the severity, and what's the error message. So this is Lens Kubernetes IDE Security Center in a nutshell. You get image scanning, resource checks, and RBAC analysis all in one place. There is no need for context switching, no separate dashboards, just the security insights you need right where you're already working.